response to Chief Minister Siddaramaya's directives, Karnataka Labour Minister Santosh Lad travelled to Wayanad, Kerala to oversee rescue operations following a devastating landslide. During his visit, Minister Lad inspected several affected areas, receiving updates and coordinating with officials and rescue teams. Maintaining close contact with the Kerala government, Minister Lad ensured swift arrangements for the affected individuals. The Karnataka government, recognizing the gravity of the situation, appointed Minister Lad and 2 senior IAS officers to assist with relief efforts. Since Wednesday afternoon, they have been stationed in Wayanad, working tirelessly to aid the neighbouring state. Minister Lad reported the tragic loss of 2 individuals from Chamarajnagar and noted that 10 people had been rescued. Among the survivors was a doctor from Bengaluru, originally from Odisha. Kerala requested 50 freezer boxes and arrangements were made for 30, expected to arrive by Wednesday night. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced a financial aid of Rs 5 lakh for each victim's family and instructed Minister Lad to cooperate closely with the Kerala authorities. Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi and Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra inspect flood-affected areas and review the ongoing relief efforts. The landslides, which struck Mundakkai and Churalmala in the early hours of July 30, caused extensive destruction, with hundreds still missing. The Indian Army has significantly ramped up its efforts to rescue those stranded, constructing a 190 feet long Bailey Bridge to connect the severely affected areas of Mundakkai and Churalmala, thereby facilitating faster rescue operations. As the region grapples with the aftermath of the landslides, the efforts of Minister Santosh Lad, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi underscore the collaborative approach needed to address such devastating natural disasters.